Good morning, it's Miranda here, and I am with Willow this morning. We are just hanging out, playing, having a good time, and we are going to show you, first thing off, what I found at Walmart for $1. Actually, I found two things at Walmart for $1, and they weren't really expensive to begin with, of course, because it was Walmart, and you can find pretty cheap stuff at Walmart, but I thought they were cute. And when I saw $1, I was like, yeah, we can hang out in this t-shirt for $1. So it's just Mickey Mouse, and it's like a mustard color. So I thought it was cute. I'm going to give it to Haley. And if she can wear it or sleep in it or whatever. But I have to admit, I'm really not a Walmart girl. I'm more of a Target girl. But every once in a while, I'll find something that I like from Walmart. I kind of like their lounging leggings. I think they're kind of comfy. And they're not real expensive. I think they're like $9.99. And then I got this one, which I just thought was really funny. And it says, "I'm too tired, don't talk to me." So I thought that was cute. She's pregnant, and so I thought that would be funny for her to wear around. And then I didn't get this at Walmart, but I'm really going to be jonesing to put these on because this was on my Christmas wish list. So I got, it's upside down, I think. But either way. Alright, and then something else, let me just clean up this paper a little bit. She's been shredding paper back there from the boot box. So these are the riding boots that I got. They're by Guess, and they're cute. They're a little bit narrow, like through here. I have this place on my foot there, but my husband is a big believer that shoes will stretch out, so we're gonna go with it, and I'm gonna keep them because everywhere else they fit really nice and they're super cute. All right, so something else that I picked up at Walmart that I had never seen before was these things. They're by HipChic, and they're called Bling Bling Ponytail Hair Mask. And so I figured I'd take my, see if I can bend y'all up a little bit. I'm going to take my hair down, and we're going to try one out because I'm not doing anything else really except for hanging out with y'all today and playing with the dog. We'll go and kind of see what the progress is on the table. So I think he ran into a little bit of an issue. All right, so I don't have a hairbrush down here, and my hair is still kind of damp from where I took a shower. But it says to tie dry or wet hair in a low ponytail. So, which is funny because on the picture it has she's got a high ponytail. But we're going to do like it says, and we're going to do a low ponytail. I found these for $2, so even if that's, you know, I don't like it and I never buy another one, it was only $2, okay? So, see if I can, I have really thick hair, so it kind of, I need to put another tie one more time, I guess. What are y'all doing on your Friday? I'm sure most people probably work, but I have the day off. All right, so we're gonna open it up. All right, so this is not like a normal mask. It's not wet. Like when I do a facial mask, it's wet inside, and it's not. There's absolutely no liquid. But, okay, it has a hair little band here. All right. It feels like a diaper. I don't know why my camera keeps going out of focus today, but this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like a diaper, and it feels like a diaper. So let's open it It smells good. I mean, you can't see, but there is a little bit of liquid. I can feel it kind of in the bottom. So let's see. Insert ponytail into special cloth mask. Secure the mask with the hair tie. Gently massage the ponytail in cloth mask to disperse evenly. Leave on for 15 to 30 minutes and remove the cloth mask. No need to rinse. Alright, so I'm gonna, I guess, stick my hair in here. I'm doing this by the viewfinder on the camera there. Alright, stick all my hair in here. And then, I guess, tie it with this hair tie. I've seen other people do this, so. And they said it felt like a diaper, and it does. Alright, so then we're just going to kind of work it in here. It's to tame frizz, and I get lots of flyaways, and so I did get that new Chi hair straightener, which I am in love with. So maybe I'll like this stuff. It smells pretty good. It smells like shampoo. So, alright, I'm going to stick mine kind of under my other ponytail because that one really didn't hold that well. Alright, so let's tip you up here. So that's what it kind of looks like on my head. Can you see? Alright, so I've worked it in here. And, let's see, what will we do for 15 minutes? Watch Willow chew up paper and make a mess. So I bought 2 of them. They were $2. It says they're normally $4 at Walmart. So, I mean, I'll try anything for $2 as long as it doesn't make my hair fall out or something stupid like that. Alright, let's go grab the husband and see if we can get an update on the farmhouse table. Alright, this is day three of the farmhouse table build. So he's going to kind of do a walkthrough a little bit and show you what he's done so far.
Well, all we got left to do is sand in the stamps down so that we can either stain it. Well, if you decide to paint it, we ain't got to sand the stamps down. But need to sand the tabletop smooth. There's a few spots where it's a little rough. Then there was a spot where I missed it when we were putting it together, but there was a chunk of wood missing. So I used some wood glue and some sawdust when I was cutting the table down and made wood filler out of it. So hopefully it'll dry here soon. We'll be able to sand it down and stain it.
All right. So it's looking pretty good. It's a 7-foot table, and it looked really small because we have a pretty good sized garage. But I did go in there in the middle of the night when I got home and measured again because I thought, wow, that looks small. But, I mean, it sticks out a good foot longer than our current table. So, because our other one is exactly 6 foot and this one's exactly 7 foot. So we need to get some paint to get those stamps off. I thought you got ones that didn't have stamps on them or whatever. Are those the ones from outside that you have to get from outside?
They all have stamps on them.
What did the guy from Menards pull down?
Ones that weren't painted on the ends.
Oh, okay. All right. So that's what it's looking like right now. I guess we'll wait for the holes to dry and
we'll sand it down.
Sand it down. And you'll do that with the palm sander or sandpaper?
Both.
Both. Groovy. All right.
So now we can estimate it though.
All right. Just a little bit of a walkthrough. I love the design. Still trying to figure out if we want to do white or a gray or sand it.
We did change the diagonals from the plans because the diagonals went from the middle of the bottom to the edge where there was already support. So we flip-flopped it so that it had more support in the middle.
The original plans had support where?
Going the opposite direction, from the middle of the bottom board to the top edge where there's already support.
Okay.
So we flip-flopped it.
Okay, so real life here, I'm having to take this ponytail thing out of my hair, or that mask, and I'm in the car riding because I'm not going to go in a store with it, and I kind of forgot it was there. So, let's see if I can get this out of here and we'll see. Ow. Kind of pulled my hair. Alright. So, there's nothing in there. Okay. And it's, I don't know if you guys can see, but I do, golly, now I have a knot in my hair. Let's say I have a hairbrush, we'll see. It smells good. It smells like shampoo, like at the salon. Let's see here. I can brush it out a little. I have really thick hair. It is really sunny out here, so I hope y'all can see. But it feels nice. It feels kind of like a leave-in conditioner. I kind of wish it did more than just the ends. Maybe if you have really short hair, it would do more. But I don't know. That's kind of what it's like. It feels like a leave-in conditioner. But all right. I think I would probably do it again, especially when I had time to straighten it to see if it helped with the frizz, but it looks like it kind of helped, and it made the ends of my hair really shiny. So go to your Walmart, go to the clearance section, and see if you have a $2 hair mask. I did mine while it was still damp. I had just gotten out of the shower. But we'll see how it looks after my hair is dry. I'll leave it down. Alrighty, we're going to the grocery. Alright, so I'm like super chill, kicked back in my little chair here. And I thought I would give you kind of the final thoughts of what I thought of this hair wrap that I put in my hair. I think it did the trick. So I wanted something to take the frizz away, and it did it. I think it made it shiny. Like, I'll give you a little close-up. So it's got a lot of shine to it. And I don't know, it smelled good. The only thing negative I might say about it is that it didn't have enough product, maybe. It didn't cover my whole ponytail, but if you had short hair, it probably would. So that's the only negative thing I would say about it. Let me see if I can put y'all down there. I was kind of just holding the phone because I'm too lazy at the moment to go and get the tripod. But anyways, and it even left some wave in my hair, which I usually flat iron out. But I think it did a good job. So anyways, I want to, before I end this vlog for today, I wanted to give a little shout out to this friend that I made, and I want you to go check out her channel. She hit 400 subscribers, and her name is Misty. Her vlog channel is Misty Mornings, and she is one bad chick. I just love her. So go and watch all of her stuff and support her channel. She's been very supportive of me. And if you came from her channel to see my channel, then welcome. I'm glad that you did come, and I hope that you will consider subscribing to us both, because I think we're both pretty cool chicks, and I'm so glad that I made a friend on here. So that was my goal, was to make some friends, and I think that I'm doing that. So I think I've been consistently vlogging now and doing unboxings for about 3 or 4 months, and 74 of you have subscribed to my channel, so I'm really excited. So I figured I would do a giveaway when I hit 100 subscribers. I'm going to give away a pampering swag bag. So make sure you join my channel, hit that notification bell so that you know what's going on. And one last question before I go that I'm going to leave you with is, I want you to tell me, this table that we're building, or my husband's building, I'm not building it, do you think I should paint it or stain it? I'm leaning more towards staining it, but give me your thoughts on it and see. I want to know if you think I should paint it or stain it. If I paint it, I'm going to do like a white, like a distressing on it, just the table base. I know that I'm going to stain the top of it. I'm just talking about the base. So let me know in the comments. Thank you for subscribing. Go hit that link and check out Misty's channel as well. Help her grow, help us all grow. And I will see you back on Monday. Bye.